That's somewhat true. Kumakain pa rin naman kami, pero hindi lang sa tamang oras. Because hindi na kami kumakain, then most likely wala na ako sa libre ngayon. Baka nasa emergency room na po ako ngayon. But of course, can we give our MC Malaysia a big round of applause. So, before we start, how is everybody doing?
Great.
How is everybody?
Great.
Doing fine, right? So I'm glad that all of us, each and every one of us are doing fine lately in our lives. And of course, if you're going to ask me, one thing that I'm going to answer to each and every one of you is that, of course, I am happy right now because each and every time that I will be getting an opportunity for me to go up on the stage, then definitely I feel so very excited because each and every time that I'm up on the stage, then most definitely I can see your lovely faces all over and over again. And of course, the moment that I entered the office earlier, I'm seeing a lot of first-timers. Am I right? So to all the first-timers, maybe you are wondering right now, or maybe you are somewhat curious why you are here in this office today. Maybe some of you are curious in this event to the point that you are questioning your mind. Ano ba itong event na ito? What is this event is all about, or what is going to happen in this event? And as mentioned by our MC Patricia, in our leader sharing, basically this is the first session of this company event. So basically there will be some leaders or distributors of Freeway Philippines that will be going up on the stage and tell you their stories, their journeys here inside the platform of Freeway, and basically the reason how this platform of Freeway changed their lives. And earlier, I'm going to repeat again, the moment that I entered the office, I'm seeing a lot of first-timers and some leaders as well who are listening to the OPP. Am I right? Earlier, there were some leaders who are talking about the OPP. So basically, the OPP is all about the product of Freeway International. And maybe some of you will tell that, oh, ang ganda pala ng produkto ng Freeway International. Stem cells are very, very good. But some of you maybe would agree that stem cells or portrait is good, am I right?
Yeah.
But definitely most of you or some of you will become so curious about the business side of Freeway International. Basically the marketing plan of Freeway International. Am I right?
Yes.
So with that, for this afternoon, I'm going to discuss the marketing plan. So in this marketing plan, dito po natin makikita kung paano po ba kumikita yung mga leaders or ano po ba yung mga bonuses na i-earn natin inside the platform of Freeway. So, first thing first, are you all excited and ready?
Yes.
Wait, before the first timers, if you're a first timer, it's going to be your first time to listen to the marketing plan. I could say it's quite challenging because if there's one presentation or one topic that is filled with numbers, most definitely medyo challenging siya, right? But for this time, maybe I can slow a bit for us to catch up to the marketing plan, most especially for the first time. So is it okay?
Yes.
So before I start the marketing plan, I just have a quick question first. When you are looking for a job, what is the first thing that you will be asking?
Salary.
How much is the
Salary.
salary, right? And that goes the same thing here in Freeway. Of course, if you want to do the business, then definitely you'll be wanting to know what are the bonuses that you will be getting and how much you will be earning. Am I right? So for this afternoon, I'm going to discuss the marketing plan. And take note, this marketing plan is just a good to know information because all of the bonuses that you will be getting and all of the points that you will be earning inside Freeway are all system generated. Meaning, you don't have to worry about it. However, it would be a very big help for each and every one of you if you would be able to understand it fully. Am I right?
Yes.
So to start off, before I start, maybe I just give you a short background regarding our company. So our company is called Freeway International, and we have been in the business for 17 years now. With only 2 products. One is under the beauty category, and that is what we call Consensus, the facial spray, and the other one is under the health category, and that is what we call the Portier Caseta. However, here in the Philippines, we mainly focus on one product only, and that is Portier Caseta. However, with this one product, it allows this company to expand to other countries as well, such as Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Taiwan, Thailand, Philippines, Hong Kong, Myanmar, Japan, and the most recent is in Europe. That's in Czech Republic and Poland. Okay? So So to start off the marketing plan, let's discuss the packages first. So, first package that we got here is what we call the Platinum package. So this costs 100,500. It contains 4 boxes of poultry placenta that is good for 3 months. Question: why 4 boxes in 3 months? Because each bottle, it contains 60 capsules of poultry placenta. And the company's recommended intake for your first month is that you will be taking 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. That is why for your first month, you will be consuming 2 bottles of poultry placenta. However, for the second month and for the third month, we highly recommend for you to take 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Okay, are you following so far?
Yes.
Okay, next package that we got here is what we call the gold package. So this costs 53,000 pesos. It contains 2 boxes of poultry placenta that's good for 1 month. And lastly is what we call the silver package. So this costs 26,500 pesos. It contains 1 box of poultry placenta that is good for half a month or 15 consecutive days. And when you purchase any of these packages, automatically you will be entering the Reway Network program. So what's in it for you for getting into the Reway Network program? Well, Reway Network program plays like an international franchise. Earlier, I mentioned to you that we have different branches in different countries. Tama po? And when you go to each and every offices of Reway, automatically that will be your offices too. And then again, when you go to each and every branches all around the world, you will be seeing training rooms just like this one. You will be seeing computers wherein you can encode. You will be seeing the operations. And of course, you will definitely see the handsome business developments.
Yun.
Pero hindi po ako kasama doon. Sila lang po. But the question is, do you need to pay extra to any of those that I mentioned?
No.
No.
No, right? Because it's all included when you purchase any of these packages. So, are we following so far?
Yes.
Okay, now, let's say you purchase Platinum. So when you purchase Platinum, Reway will be creating you an account. So meaning, Reway will be creating you an account for free. Meaning, there will be no quota and there will be no maintenance. Now, let's say you purchase the Platinum. Okay? And then you started to share the product to one of your friends. Let's call him friend A. And by the time that friend A told you that, poultry placenta is a good product, excellent product, and Reway is a doable business. So, I will be buying from you. And by the time that friend A buys from you, congratulations, because that will be the time that you will be getting your first bonus. So when you refer someone and that someone buys from you, that is what we call referral bonus. And for Platinum, it is 10%. So again, first bonus is what we call referral bonus. Now I mentioned that for Platinum it's 10%. Meanwhile, for Gold, it is 9%, and for Silver, it is
8%.
8%. Now, the referral bonus actually depends on the package that you purchase, not on the package that your friend has purchased. So say for example, you purchase Gold, and then your friend purchased Silver. So meaning you will be getting the 9% off the Silver package. Let's try vice versa. Let's say you purchase Silver, and then your friend purchased Gold. So meaning you will be getting the 8% off the Gold package. So are we clear so far?
Yes.
Umpaga? Okay, now moving on. Let's say you share the product again to one of your friends. Let's call him
Friend B.
friend B. And by the time that friend B buys from you, what bonus again you will be getting? Referral bonus. And here in Reway, we are actually using a binary system. Meaning, there is a left and
There's a right.
there is a right. So meaning, if you have a sale on the left and a sale on the right, congratulations, because that will be the time that you will be getting your second bonus. And this is what we call development bonus. And for this bonus, this is a standard 10%. So again, second bonus is what we call development bonus. So for this bonus, maybe I can give you an example to make it even clear to each and every one of you. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, so for development bonus, let's say this is you. You have a left and you have a right. Now always remember that development bonus happens when you have a sale on the left and a sale on the right, that whoever sponsored, whatever package they purchase, it could be platinum, it could be gold, it could be silver, for as long as you have a sale on the left and a sale on the right, you will be getting development bonus. Now, let's say the group on your left accumulated a total group sale of 8,000. Now, the group on your right accumulated a total group sale of 4,000. Now, how does development bonus works? Well, the system will be getting the paired amount. And the paired amount for this one is 4,000. And you will be getting the 10% of 4,000, which is 400. Now, the question is, what will happen to the remaining balance? Because 8,000 minus 4,000, you still have 4,000, am I right? Okay? Actually, okay, Tita, sige. You can take your time. Okay? Thank you. Again, your remaining balance is 4,000, am I right? You don't have to worry because that 4,000 will not be vanished and it will not go to the company. It will just be carried over to the following day. Now, let's say the following day, the group on your right accumulated a total group sale of, let's say, 2,000. And then again, the system will be getting the paired amount, right? And the paired amount for this one is 2,000. And you will get the 10% of 2,000, which is 200. And then again, what will happen to the remaining balance? Because 4,000 minus 2,000, you still have 2,000, am I right? Again, you don't have to worry. It will not vanish and it will not go to the company. But then again, it will just be carried over to the following day. Now let's say the following day again, the group on your left accumulated a total group sale additional of 3,000. And then on your right, na-notice nyo po, yung group nyo sa right, didn't accumulate any sales the following day. Meaning, 0. Now the question is, with this kind of scenario, do you think there will be a development bonus? No, right? Why? Because always remember that development bonus happens when you have a sale on the left and a sale on the right. But ano pong mangyayari dito? And again, because the remaining balance, you still have a remaining balance, am I right? The group on your left. Because 3,000 plus 2,000, you still have a remaining balance of 5,000, am I right? Again, you don't have to worry because that 5,000 will not be vanished and it will not be going to the company. Again, it will just be carried over to the following day. Now, let's say the following day, wala pa rin sale yung grupo nyo sa right. Let's say the following week, after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, still no sale. So, you as a leader, you finally step up into the situation wherein you've gathered your whole group from the right, when you set a meeting, you give them directions, you give them visions, to the point that the group on your right will become so motivated. Now, after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, the 4th week, finally, the group on your right accumulated a total group sale of 5,000. Now, with this kind of situation, because the system will be getting the fair amount, am I right? But with this kind of scenario, since they have the same amount, the system will even it out, and you will still get the 10% of 5,000, which is 500. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your daily transactions. And this happens every single day. So, are we clear so far, River Pampanga?
Yes.
Really, clear so far?
Yes.
Maybe some of you are thinking, most especially the first-timers, how come River International are called multi-billion-dollar company? But the leaders are just earning this kind of amount, 200, 400, 500. But as you can see, the first example that I've shown to you was just small numbers. So for this time, is it okay that I will be giving you another example? But this time, let's make it a bigger number. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, so another example, let's say, this is you. You have a left and you have a right. Now let's say the group on your left accumulated a total group sale of, let's say, 37,000. Meanwhile, on your right, the group on your right accumulated a total group sale of 18,000. Now again, the system will be getting the paired amount. Am I right? And the paired amount for this one is
18,000.
18,000. So 10% of 18,000 is how much?
1-8.
1,800, am I right? And that will be your development bonus. But here in Reway, we have this so-called maximum capacity. Now, why Reway has this so-called maximum capacity or daily maximum? Because if the company will overpay the leaders, it will not be good for the company. And if it's not good for the company, it won't be good for the leaders as well. Am I right? And Reway has this maximum capacity in order for Reway to sustain its business for a very long time. Okay? So since we have a maximum capacity, so for Platinum, it is 1,560 RW. So for the first timers, I know that you are not familiar with this RW. So here in Reway, RW stands for Reway Wallet. So ano yung Reway Wallet? What is this RW? So maybe I can give you an example para mas malinaw sa inyo. To those first timers, are you familiar with SM Advantage card? May nakapasok na po ba sa SM?
Yes.
Lahat naman po nakapasok. So are you familiar with SM Advantage card?
Yes.
Wherein that card, we can earn some points whenever we purchase inside the department store. And that points, we can use that in the future if we want to directly purchase inside the department store. Am I right?
Yes.
Same thing goes with the RW. So meaning, this is the point that you will be getting. And since there is a point, automatically, there will be a conversion rate. So, 1 RW is equivalent to 1 Singaporean dollar, and that's equivalent to 42.62 peso. So, if you want to directly purchase something inside the office, like sales kits, marketing tools, products, or even magazines, then this is the conversion rate that you're going to need. But the question, Jaime, can I encash my RW? So to all the leaders who are wearing the coat and ties, can you encash your RW?
Yes.
Yes. However, there will just be a different conversion rate. So if you want to encash your RW, it is 1 RW is equivalent to 0.9 Singaporean dollar, and that's equivalent to 38.358. So if you're going to look at these two different conversion rate, you can just notice that meron lang siya 10% difference. So are we clear so far, Pampanga?
Yes.
Are you still there? Yes. But nakantok na po, nakikita bumabagsak na yung mata. So don't worry, later on, I have a surprise to each and every one of you. So just stay awake because later, i-announce ko siya sa inyo. So, are we good so far?
Yes.
Give yourselves a big round of applause. Okay, going back here. So, by right, you're supposed to get the 10% of 18,000, which is 1,800,
800.
am I right? But since you've already exceeded to the maximum capacity, so meaning, this is the point that you will be getting, not the whole amount of 1,800. Now, the question is again, ano pong nangyayari sa remaining balance? Because 37,000 minus 18,000, you still have 19,000, am I right?
Yes.
And do you think that 19,000 will be carried over to the following day?
Yes.
Yes! Ang sense niya, di ba? May carried over siya. But, hindi po siya may carried over. Doon na po nagtatapos ang Reway career niya. But of course, kidding aside, hindi po siya may carried over, and that is what we call
Flash out.
flashing out or flashing. But you don't have to worry because flashing out or flashing is actually something manageable inside Reway. Why? Because let's say you have 10 sets today. You can encode the 4 sets today, encode the 4 sets tomorrow, and encode the remaining 2 sets the following day. Just for you to avoid being flash out. But let's say in the near future, wherein your group will become big, that you no longer have the control regarding your sales. Let's say every day you flash out. Just like our Team Elite Pegasus, Ramon Mondo, every day he flashes out. So if you want to know the amount of that one, let's try to multiply 1,560 RW for the whole month. Let's say 30 days. So 1,560 RW multiplied to 30, that will amount to 46,800 RW. And this is the amount that you will be earning in one particular month if you flash out every day. So do you think this is a good amount already?
Yes.
46,800 in a month. Of course, mataas na siya. And take note, I still haven't converted this one into peso. So if you want to know the amount of this one in peso, then you can just simply multiply this to 42.62. And that will be your income for the whole month if you flash out every day. So, are we clear so far? Okay, now since we have a maximum capacity, so for platinum it's 1,560, right? For gold, it is 600 RW, and for silver, it is 300 RW. So, are we following so far, Pampanga? Are you still with me?
Yes.
Okay, can you give yourselves again a big round of applause? Now, I hate to admit, but maybe dito na po nagtatapos ang marketing plan because wala na po enough space. So, is it okay if I would be removing some of the parts just for me to proceed? But don't worry to all the people who want to take a photo of the handsome guy in front, okay lang po sa akin. But of course, the marketing plan po pala. Sige po, I'll be giving you 5 seconds to take a photo of this one. 1, 5, okay? There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 4.9, 5. Okay na po? Okay. Since I mentioned earlier, just to share you something, each and every time that there is going to be a marketing plan presentation, no matter what office, it would be in Manila, it could be in Davao, Cebu, Iloilo, Cagayan de Oro, or here in Pampanga. Each and every time the marketing plan presentation has been ended, in the end, there will be a quiz afterwards. Wherein I'll be calling someone, maybe one in the front and one in the middle and one in the back. Okay? But don't worry because that quiz is not just an ordinary quiz because that quiz will be filled with a lot of prizes coming from me personally. Okay? So is it okay?
Yes.
Okay Sabi niya na? Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do you still remember Friend A? Wait, sino si friend A? Friend A, the first friend that you invited, am I right? Let's say, friend A invited someone, invited one of his friends. Let's call him friend A1. Now, when friend A1 buys from friend A, anong bonus po yung makukuha ni friend A? Referral bonus. But then again, friend A invited someone. Let's call him friend A2. By the time that friend A2 buys from friend A, anong bonus po ulit? Referral bonus. And since friend A has a sale on the left and a sale on the right, anong bonus po yung makukuha ni friend A? Development bonus. And when friend A got his development bonus, congratulations. Because that will be the time that you will be getting your third bonus. And that is what we call matching bonus. And this is 10% of the development bonus. So, third bonus is what we call matching bonus. So, for platinum, it's up to 3 levels and 10% of development bonus. For gold, it is up to 2 levels and 10% off development bonus. And for silver, up to 1 level, but still 10% off development bonus. But maybe I can explain this to you later, because right now, I want to show you something. Because when you check your account in the system, you will be seeing 2 trees. First one is what we call sponsor tree, and the other one is what we call placement tree. Don't worry, this is still your account. It's just 2 different views. So, what is the difference between sponsor and placement tree? In sponsor tree, actually, hindi na siya kailangan isipin. Why? Because when you check the sponsor tree in your account, in the system, you will be seeing automatically all of your direct sponsors. Unlike in placement tree, you have a choice whether to put your sale on the left or on the right. So meaning, let's say this is you, sponsor tree, first friend comes in, friend A. Again, you don't have to worry sa sponsor tree because when you check, automatically makikita nyo lahat ng direct sponsors nyo. Unlike in placement tree, you have a choice whether to put your sale on the left or on the right. But since it is your first sale, since it is my first sale in Midway, pinakaunang sale. So meaning, napaka-special nung first sale ko. So I am having a hard time whether to put my first sale on the left or on the right. But maybe since nahihirapan po ako mag-decide ngayon kung saan ko siya ilalagay, maybe I can share you a short story of mine that happened before when I was a business developer. Is it okay? Since a lot of you are very sleepy, maybe this is the right time for me to share a story. Don't worry. This story is a true-to-life story of mine that happened in Ridgeway, Davao. So do you want to hear the story?
Yes.
I know some of the leaders already know this story, but for the first timers, I'll be telling you this one. Don't tell the other branches that I've told you this because sinasabi ko lang siya dito sa Ridgeway, Pampanga. So that time, I was just 4 months old as a business development, and me and my manager JD flew to Davao that time to attend an event. And after that event, of course, if you're a first timer in Davao, then ang una mong aalamin is yung specialty ng Davao. Ano po ba specialty ng Davao?
Durian.
Durian, right? So, yun yung una kong gusto kong matikman sa Davao. So, after ng event, me and JD plan to go to Magsaysay tawag, Magsaysay Street. Where in that particular place, there's a lot of vendors of durian. And that time, of course, as I was walking along the streets of Magsaysay to find the durian, then there's a group of women, 5 to 8 women gossiping to one another. Chismis! So of course, they were gossiping to one another, and then ako, bumibili lang ako. And at that time, one of the lady pointed her finger at me. Yeah. Pointed her finger at me. Yeah. Yan. Magaling siya sa akin. Yan. Tinuod yun pala talaga na daghan ng mga kaliwang at ganyan rin ang itsura. Sabi niya sa akin. Walang nakaintindi. May Bisaya po ba dito? Meron? May Bisaya po ba dito? You want me to translate it to you to Tagalog? Yes! O parang kailan? Alin pa. So, Tagalog muna. So, sabi niya, totoo pala talaga na mahilig mga liwa kapag ganito ang itsura.
Ay, nako.
Davao ha? Davao. So, tatanungin ko ang Pampanga. Totoo ba yun? Yes or no? Sumanag yes. Pwede na po yung next scene. Sumanag no, sige, tutuloy ko po para sa inyo. But of course, hindi niya alam na I can understand quite a bit of Bisaya. So naiintindihan ko siya. And in my mind that time, in my mind only, I told her, excuse me lady, don't judge a book by its cover. Of course, since I'm a very positive person, I didn't take that as a negative one. I took it as a positive one. If she mentioned na magaling ako or mahilig ako makaliwa, then maybe left. No, left is my lucky side. Am I right? So since left is my lucky sign, so my first sale, ilalagay ko siya sa
Left.
left. Easy as that. Of course, that story is not true, you know. I'm very loyal and faithful to Uribe International. Okay, ayan, marketing plan. Okay, second friend comes in, friend B. Again, sponsor 3, hindi nyo na kailangan isipin. Now in placement 3, which place do you think is the best place to put friend B? Left or right?
Right.
Right.
Right, why? Because development bonus happens when you have a sale on the left and a sale on the right. So I'm putting friend B sa right. Now third friend comes in, friend C. Again, sponsor 3, may naisipin. And placement 3, upon looking placement 3, you've noticed si friend A, ang galing-galing niya na sa railway. Meanwhile, friend B is still adjusting to the business. So you came up with a decision to put friend C below friend B. Why? Because so that friend C can help friend B and friend C can help you as well. Okay? Now, third friend comes in, friend D. Again, sponsor 3, huwag nyo na siya nagsipin. Now, upon looking placement 3, you've noticed that friend C has 20 levels below him. Meaning, malaki na po yung grupo ni friend C. So let's try to put friend B below friend C. Now the question, I have a question. What level do you think is friend B at right now? Anong level po ni friend B ngayon? Kung titignan niyo yung placement 3. First level, second level, third level. Any guess?
First left.
First level, second level, but basically, let me explain it to you. Friend A and friend B is your first level. Friend C is your second level. And since friend C has 20 levels below him, all in all, ilan na po? 22. 22 levels. So meaning, friend B is at the 23rd level. But if you would be looking at the sponsor tree, friend A, B, C, and D are all alike. And they are your
First left.
first level. And all of the direct sponsor of your first level is your
Second level.
second level. Same thing goes. All of the direct sponsor of your second level is your
Third level.
third level. Now, let's say friend A, your first level, got his development bonus of 100,000. So 10% of 100,000 is
10,000.
10,000, am I right? And that will be your matching bonus. But you don't have to worry because that 10,000 as your matching bonus won't be deducted from the 100,000 development bonus of your first level. So meaning, makukuha nyo ng buo yung 10,000 without any deduction from friend A's development bonus. Freeway will be giving you that willingly because you've invited someone who is doing good job inside Freeway. So can we give Freeway a big round of applause? Same thing goes with our second level. Let's say your second level, that is development bonus of 50,000. So 10% of 50,000 is 5,000, am I right? That will be your matching bonus without any deduction. Same thing goes with your third level. Let's say your third level, that is development bonus of 10,000. So 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. So that will be your matching bonus without any deduction. So are we clear so far, Pampanga?
Yes.
Are you still with me? Yes! Give yourselves a big round of applause. Now I have a question. You still remember the quiz?
Yes.
Okay, this is the most exciting part. Now I have a question. One question, whoever shouts the right answer, I will give you, because recently in January, because each and every January, doon po pinakamasaya ang mga staff ng Real because merong bonus. And tell you up until now, mag-March na, all of my bonus na nakuha ko, hindi ko pa siya kinagastos. Not even a single penny. So meaning, to that person who will shout the right answer, alam niyo na po yung makukuha 1 million. How I wish that's my bonus. Okay? One question only. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, by discussing all the packages, platinum, gold, silver, which package do you think is the best one to purchase? Diamond. Platinum? Okay, platinum. Okay, correct. But the question, sino po nauna? Ang taas. Usap-usap muna kayo. Of course, platinum. Why? Because with platinum comes with 4 boxes of Portier Placenta, up to 10% of referral bonus, up to 1,560 for the development bonus, and up to 3 levels for the matching bonus. But the moment I entered as a business development inside Riway for the very first time, I rarely see people who are purchasing platinum, gold, and silver. Why? Because they are purchasing the diamond package. So this costs 170,000 pesos. It contains 7 boxes of Portier Placenta that's good for 6 months. Complete therapy. Ha! Jaime, 170,000? That's too expensive. Of course, that is the common reaction, most especially if you are a first timer. Am I right? But you know what? I know that all of us, or most of us, will agree that one of the attitude of each and every Filipino is that mahilig tayo sa tingin-tingin. Do you know tingin-tingin? Pa-isa-isa. Because we all know, kung pa-isa-isa tayo, mas nakakatipid tayo. But that is not the case. So let's say kung mahilig kayo sa patingin-tingin, 7 boxes of Portier Placenta. Let's try to multiply 26,500 to 7. That will amount to almost or 185,000. Unlike purchasing diamond package wherein it is just 170,000 to the extent that you've already saved 15,000. And when you purchase, let's say platinum, let's say you purchase gold, or let's say you purchase silver, Riway will be creating your account. Tama po? But that account is only one account. Meaning, if you only have one account, then definitely you will be getting just one development bonus only. Unlike purchasing diamond package, where Riway will not just give you one. Riway will not just give you 2, but Riway will give you 3 platinum account. And this is what we call the diamond account. Okay? And when you purchase the diamond package, automatically you will be entering the PPP. Do you know what PPP stands for? Do you know what PPP stands for? Here in Riway, it's what we call Pantawid Pamilya Program. Yes, it's true. Since it's already 2025, nag-upgrade na po ang Riway. When yung PPPs, Pantawid Pamilya Program na po siya. But of course, kidding aside. PPP stands for Portier Placenta Program. Now, if you want to know the RW amount for diamond package, it is 3,601 RW. Now, if you want to know the individual amount of each platinum, you can just simply divide this into 3, and that will amount to 1,087 RW. So meaning, Unit 1, this is your account. 1,087. Unit 2, this is your account as well. 1,087. And Unit 3, this is your account as well. 1,087. Now, just by purchasing diamond package, you already got your first bonus already. Why? How's that possible? Your first bonus already, kakabili ko lang. Unit 1, this is your account, right?
Yes.
And since you have a sale on the left and a sale on the right, so you will be getting the 10% off 1,087, and that is 190 108.7 RW. And you can see this in the system, in your account, around midnight. At exactly midnight, maybe 12 a.m. Makikita niyo na po yung first bonus nyo kagad. Now, the question is, have you heard about some of the leaders that maybe the person who invited you, baka narinig mo na sa kanila to? Na, do you want to take the product for free?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Genuine question, do you want to take the product for free?
Yes!
Of course, even I, gusto ko rin ma-take yung product ng libre. But how is that possible? You know what? Just to share you something. Of course, when I was in new business development, I've seen a lot of leaders na hindi full-time. Meaning, some of them are students, some of them may other businesses like family business, small business outside Railway. Now, I want to ask the crowd, are there any one of you has a business outside Railway? May mga business po ba kayo? Some of you? Some of you, right? So, meaning, if you entered in Railway or if you joined Railway, let's say you can only do Railway in your most convenient day. Let's say every Saturday of the week. Okay? So, how many Saturdays do we have in a week? 5 in a week. In a month. 4, right? So, let's say you will only do Railway for the whole month, every Saturday of the week. So, let me give you an example for that. So, first week comes in, friend A. By the time that friend A buys from you, what bonus you will be getting?
Referral.
Referral bonus. This is 10%. Second week comes in, friend B. By the time that friend B buys from you, what bonus you will be getting?
Referral.
Referral bonus. Other bonuses. Development bonus. Why? Because Unit 2, this is your account, right? And you have a sale on the left and a sale on the right. So you will be getting development bonus. Now, third week comes in, friend C. By the time that friend C buys from you, what bonus you will be getting?
Referral bonus.
Referral bonus. Other bonuses.
Development bonus.
Maybe for this one, let's stick with referral and development bonus. So, other bonuses?
Development bonus.
Development bonus. Yes. Why? Because Unit 1, this is your account, right? And you have a sale on the left and a sale on the right. So you will be getting development bonus. Last week comes in, friend D. By the time that friend D buys from you, anong bonus po yung makukuha? Referral bonus. Other bonuses?
Development bonus.
Development bonus. Why? Unit 3, this is your account. You have a sale on the left and a sale on the right. So you will be getting development bonus. Other bonuses? Meron pa po ba?
Yes. Development bonus. U1.
Remember, let's stick with referral and development bonus only.
Another development.
Meron pa po?
Yes. Development.
Referral and development bonus only.
Development.
Development. Yes, development bonus. Another development bonus now. How is that possible, Jaime? Another development bonus. Now, Unit 1, this is your account, right? Account niyo po ba?
Yes.
You have a sale on the left and a sale on the right. So you will be getting another development bonus. Now, just by doing Railway in your most convenient day, every Saturday in a single month, you didn't just get 10, but 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80% of referral bonus and development bonus. So, if you want to know the amount that you will be earning in that particular month, you can just simply multiply 80% to the RW amount of diamond package, and that is 2,600 RW. And this will amount to
2,608.
2,609 RW. Now the question is, do you think 2,609 is already a good amount?
Yes.
Yes, because you are only doing Railway in your most convenient day. So let's say you're not doing Railway once a week. Let's say you're doing Railway twice a week. Let's say you are doing Railway 4 times a week. Or let's say you are doing Railway every day. Do you think that this amount will become bigger?
Yes.
Definitely. And take note, I still haven't included the first bonus that you will be getting. And of course, yung kanina ko minimension ni Tita, the matching bonus. The matching bonus, once this grows continuously. So again, if may matching bonus, and pag dinagdag yung first bonus, and you are doing rebate every day, do you think this amount will become bigger?
Yes.
Definitely. And with that, you've got the product for
Free.
free. So before I end my presentation, all of the leaders or most leaders here in Relay are keeping an eye on this first level to be able to maximize their income. But if you want to know more and why, then later it's the right time for you to ask the person who invited you. So this ends my marketing plan presentation. I hope that everybody had a knowledge kahit kunti lang, because I know that if you're a first timer, once you see the marketing plan 100% hindi nyo siya kaagad process. Am I right? But at least somehow you got a knowledge, and later on, good thing, nandyan yung leader na nag-invite sa inyo. Because that leader, the person who invited you, hindi kayo nag-iiwan. Okay? So, this is Jaime from the Business Development, and I have nothing more to say but to wish you good health, good fortune, and see you all at the top. Thank you so much. Relay from Asa.